Cars for a Cure charity vehicle donation program. One out of three people will face a cancer diagnosis in their lifetime. Rather than spelling or trading in your used car, trucks, SUV, motorcycle, RV, or boat on a trailer, consider donating it to the American Cancer Society. Your car donation will help lives that might otherwise be lost to disease, funding life-saving cancer research, education, advocacy, and free patient service program. Donate my car. How to donate a car? Complete the form. Complete our easy-to-use online card donation form or sell. We just need some basic info about your vehicle and where you will vehicle need to pick up. If you have any question about vehicle donation, please visit FNQ. Arrange a free pickup time. Your vehicle can be scheduled for a pickup within 24 48 hours after your title has been received by our vehicle donation processes center. We town your car. After a few weeks, you will receive the tax deduction respective that you will need for filling your taxes. Your charity vehicle donation cloud. If you, it might just be a hulk to junk, but your charitable card donation would bring hope to cancer patients. That why we work hard maximize the proceed every card donation and accept running and roaming vehicle with transferable titles not only in the process free and easy, but your charity vehicle donation may be eligible for a tax deduction. Please consult your tax advisor for individual details. For additional information, visit our FNQ about donating a car charity. What can I donate? We gratefully accept almost car donation. We almost accept donation trucks, motorcycle boats, snowmobiles, trailers, and residential vehicles. If you would like to donate your car, please go to our donation wizard. How much of money from the sale my vehicle goes back in the America Cancer Society? Donating a car, other vehicle to charity can be confused decision. Many charity car donation programs promise to help the Christians but are run by a third party process that return very little to the charity. Our partner advised marketing services return a high percentage than other vehicle processing entires. View our car donation tips for more information. How to maximize your charitable car or other vehicle donation. What document do I need to donate car charity? Our car donation wizard will reveal you what is required in your state. Most states require that you have a clear title to the vehicle. Some states also require a notarized signature to complete donation. If you cannot locate or have a lost certificate or title, we can help you obtain proper documentation. How do I receive the tax deduction when I donate my vehicle? This is our tax benefit of your charitable vehicle donation page for information regarding tax deduction. Who is at Points Rim Marketing Services? They handle the title transfer, swing report, all vehicle donation, and are the American Cancer Society authorized donation agent processing all of our vehicle donations. Vehicle donation may be made online through donation wizard by or calling 888 227 5500.